Hellas Verona have shown themselves capable of rising to the big occasion this season. They've beaten Atalanta, Lazio and Napoli, and twice held Juventus. The pressure on Milan in the race for the Scudetto. The long-time leaders are now 6 points behind rivals Inter. Tomori under pressure here from Kevin Lasagna. Didn't quite get enough back on that to the goalkeeper. And Lasagna nearly profits, not quite. Here's Calabria with a cross, it's a good one. And the header over the top from Rafael Leao, real chance. It's a really good effort, it's a sensational effort. And Milan lead. Rare start for Rade Krunic today, and a brilliant goal. Struck it so sweetly across Silvestri. That is some way to open his account for the campaign, and Milan are up and running here. There's Krunic, the goal scorer, trying to turn provider for Rafael Leao. He was able to get his shot away. And he came up with something spectacular. Settled straight down into a period of possession, Milan, at the start of the half, and now Salamaca's going through the gears. Might open up for Diego Dallo! How about that? A thumping finish to double the lead for the Rossoneri. And it's another new name on their Serie A score sheet this season. His first for the club for Diego Dallo. And he took it wonderfully well, 2-0. Tomori with time to bring it out from the back. Picks the pass for Rafael Leao. Now Salamakers. Can he get his shot away? Salamakers, he can. And he wasn't far away. And Milan here are in the mood. Ciccarini won it, but still has work to do here. It comes for Calabria. He's able to find the pass for Salamakers. Goalkeeper needed to get down. Krunic didn't really get anything on it, having made the run. It was a run that wasn't checked or tracked. Daniel Besser. Working it into space here for DiMarco. And DiMarco went for goal. Didn't quite have his angle set.
Decent strike, going to the near post. Calabria just gets a little touch on it.
Has forced this corner kick to come, for which they've committed plenty forward. Mate rising to meet it. Return it as far as Federico DiMarco. In again, and this time flashing across the face of goal. Ceccarini, so close. That's why we have somebody on the post. Real resilience displayed by the Rossoneri in the race for the Scudetto, with a vital victory at Verona. Hellas Verona 0, Milan 2.